Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Aternos and creating a server. This puts you into the management dashboard instantly. Once done, choose the Minecraft edition and type a concise server name so you can recognize it later. Make initial choices now. Set player slots, pick a stable version, and skip alpha releases for reliability. These first actions determine compatibility and resource needs, so be deliberate. They save time later when installing mods, adjusting settings, or inviting players. You now configure the server to match your goals. Go to the Settings and Server Software sections. Change RAM allocation within the offered range and enable automatic backups to protect progress. Next, install plugins or mods from the Software tab. Make sure versions match the chosen server build. Once installed, tune game options like MOTD, difficulty, and game rules. Test locally or via a LAN connection to confirm behavior before inviting others, because misaligned mods or settings cause most mid-setup failures. You're ready to start. Press Start and watch the console for progress and any error messages. If the server crashes, read the red error lines. Common causes are version mismatch, insufficient RAM, or conflicting mods. Adjust software, increase memory, or remove the offending mod. Make sure the whitelist and operator list are set before inviting players. Finally, schedule periodic restarts and keep backups. If problems persist, reproduce the error. Then change one setting at a time to isolate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.